Myself, Dr. Durga Prasad, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Department of Dravya. Today we are going to deal critical analysis of Lekhana Karma. What is Lekhana Karma? Lekhana, the word Lekhana is derived as, it gives the literal meaning of word Lekhana is the which scratch or scrapes, makes thin, or which emaciates are the meanings of word Lekhana. Coming to the definition, Dhatun Malanva Dehasya Visheshyo Ullekayach Yet Lekhanam Tadyada Kshaudram Neeramushmam Vacha Yavaha. This is according to Sharangadara. He said Dhatun Malanva Dehasya. That means Lekhana is a scraping of Dhatu and Mala after initial absorption of moisture from them, and it is also scraping of Kapha and Medas are removed by Lekhana Karma, which is a process of wasting of abnormally accumulated Dhatus. This is Lekhana Karma. In brief, it is scraping of excessive growth or excessive accumulation of Kapha, Medas, etc. Characteristics of Lekhana Karma: Lekhanam Anila Anala Guna Bhuishtam. Lekhana is Anila Anala Bhuishtam, that is Vata and Agni are togetherly forms the Lekhana. Lekhano Karaha. Lekhana is Karaguna, it is main guna is Kara. Lekhana Guna effect on the body. Kapha, the Kapha and Medas, it dries up and scrapes the Dhatus, and then dries up and scrapes the Mala, then dries up and scrapes the Deha, and it makes the lean body mass and reduces the body mass. Other views, according to Sushruta Chikitsa, he said it is one of the procedure to scrape the Vrana. Okay. Then in Sushruta Chikitsa only, he said Vartmanam tu Pramane Samam Shastrena Nirlekaye. That means in Vartmagata Rogas means it is a type of Akshi Rogas. In that type of Akshi Rogas, eye disorders, Lekhana Karma is the main procedure of treatment. According to Gananatha Sena, on Charaka Sutra, he said scrapes the unwanted tissue. Lekhanayo Deha Garshano. That is unwanted tissue, it scrapes out. Coming to the Charaka Ganas Mahakashayas, famous Mahakashayas, in that he explains Lekhana Mahakashaya. That is Musta Kushta Haridra, Dar Haridra, Vacha, Ativisha, Ativisha, Katurohini, Chitraka, Chirabilva, Haimavati, Iti Dashaimani, Lekhaniyani Bhavanti. He said total 10 drugs which are predominantly having Lekhana Guna or Lekhana Karma. Coming to the discussion of Mahakashayas, how they work as Lekhana. Coming to the first drug, that is Mustaka. Mustaka or Musta, it is called Cyperus rotundus, family is Cyperaceae. Its guna is Lagu and Rukshna Guna, because of Lagu Rukshna Guna, and it is having Tikta, Katu, Kashayarasa and Katu Vipaka and Shita Virya. So it is Lekhana Karma. Coming to the next one, that is Kushta, botanical name, it is botanically identified as Sasuria Lappa, and this family is Compositae or Asteraceae. Coming to the Guna, Lagu, Ruksha, Tikshna Guna, Rasa is Tikta, Katu, Madura Rasa, Vipaka is Katu Vipaka, Virya is Ushna Virya. Coming to the Haridra, Kurkuma Longa and Gingiveraceae family, Guna is Rukshna and Lagu, and Rasa is Tikta or Katu. Vipaka is Katu Vipaka, Virya is Ushna Virya. Coming to the next track, that is Daru Haridra, Berberis aristata, Berberidaceae family, Guna is Lagu Ruksha, Rasa is Tikta Kashaya Rasa, Vipaka is Katu Vipaka, Virya is Ushna Virya. Coming to the Vacha, Acorus calamus, Aeraceae, Guna is Lagu Tikshna and Rasa is Katu Tikta Rasa. Vipaka is Katu Vipaka, Virya is Ushna Virya. Coming to the Ativisha, next drug is Ativisha, that is Aconitum heterophyllum, Ranunculataceae family. Guna is Lagu Ruksha and Rasa is Tikta Katu Rasa. Vipaka is Katu, Virya is Ushna. Coming to the next drug, that is Katu Rohini, Picroviza Kuro, family is Scrophulariaceae. Guna is Ruksha and Lagu Guna. Rasa is Tikta Rasa. Vipaka is Katu Vipaka. Virya is Shita Virya. And next drug is Chitraka, Plumbagozalanica, Plumbaginaceae. Guna is Lagu Ruksha Tikshna and Rasa is Katu Rasa and Vipaka is Katu Vipaka. Virya is Tikshna Virya. Next one, Chiravilva, Holoptelia integrifolia, Ulmaceae. Guna is Lagu Ruksha, Rasa is Tikta Kashaya, Vipaka is Katu Vipaka, Virya is Ushna Virya. Haimavati, Iris ansata, that is Iridaceae. Guna is Lagu Ruksha and Tikshna, Rasa is Katu Tikta, Vipaka is Katu and Virya is Ushna. Because we saw all the drugs are having Katu and Tikta Rasa. Maximum drugs are having similarity in Katu and Tikta and Lagu and Ruksha. These are the main gunas and rasa which is responsible for the Lekhana karma of the Dravya. And Katu and Tikta rasas are predominantly of Agni Mahabhuta Pradhana and Vayu Mahabhuta Pradhana. So Tikta and Katu and Lagu and Ruksha are the main gunas or rasas which are responsible for the Lekhana karma. Lekhana dravyas are predominantly Vata Mahabhuta Pradhana and Tikta rasa is mainly Vata and Akasha and Katu rasa is Vayu and Agni. So here we can feel that Vata and Agni are the main Mahabhutas which are responsible for the, that is Vayu and Agni, which are responsible for the Lekhana karma of the Dravya. Lagu and Ruksha, Tikshna, Vishada and Ushna, these all gunas are predominant of Vayu and Agni, so they are acting as Lekhana karma. Tikta rasa and Katu rasa, Katu Vipaka, Ushna Virya, these also will have effect as Lekhana karma. Coming to the indications of Lekhana dravyas, that is Kapha Medha predominant disorders, Atisthaulya, such as Atisthaulya, Mamsa Dhatu Vruddhi or Mamsa Dusti. Mamsa Dhatu Dusti leads to Vruddhi. Then Prameha, Gulma, Gandamala, Galaganda and Arshas, etc. These are the indications for the Lekhana karma. Some examples, that is Haridra, Khanta Rogas and Kushta Roga, and it acts as a Lekhana karma. And Daru Haridra will act as Kaphaja Netra Rogas as Daru Haridra Anjana. We will use it as Anjana for the Netra Rogas, as Kaphaja Netra Rogas for Lekhana karma. Chitraka is commonly used as in Kaphaja Arshas. It is best drug, Chitraka. So Kaphaja Arshas, it will scrape the Arsha. In modern view, anti-obesity drugs are, first drug is Orlistat. It is gastric and pancreatic lipase inhibitor. It inhibit the gastric and pancreatic lipase so that the person will feel fullness in the stomach. That leads to less eating, and in terms it leads to the reducing the obesity. Then Olistra, that is cooking medium in place of fat. That is, it will burns the fat fast. Then Leptin, the endogenous slimming peptide, and Rimonabant, then selective cannabinoid receptor agonist. These are the modern drugs, and this is the Lekhana karma. So here we understood that Lekhana karma and Lekhana dravyas which are having predominant of Agni and Vayu Mahabhuta predominant, and they are predominantly having rasas of Tikta and Katu rasas and guna as Lagu and Rukshna guna. So By saying this, I will conclude. Thank you.